Erectile dysfunction is the inability of a man to get erection or sustain erection. Now, getting erection might not always be a problem for some people, but sustaining that erection could at the same time be a problem. How do I mean? There are cases whereby before sex, you are aroused. Now, at the point of entry, suddenly your dick or your penis suddenly falls, or while you are on the fire, your dick dies inside the woman's vagina. There are several cases of such reports in my DM. So which is to tell you that a lot of men across various ages are going through hell in silence, having either weak erection, quick ejaculation, or low libido. But you must always understand that you are not the only one that is having or facing this particular problem. A wide range of men are within this category. But however, what are the causes, the factors that are affecting or that could have affected or that could have caused you to have erectile dysfunction? We have physical factors. We also have psychological factors. Physical factor in this aspect would be related or would be relating to biological factors. And what are some of these factors? You can talk about diabetes, heart disease, high blood pressure, hypertension, and a lot more. Psychological factor in this case will be referring to stress, anxiety, change in emotion, and a lot more. Also, it could also be as a result of having problem in your relationships. So this is to tell you that there are a lot of wide range or wide angle to the view of erectile dysfunction. But here in Fekomi, what do we do to tackle your problem? Majorly, we view ours from the nutritional aspect, which is the use and the consumption of sugar. We tell you daily that drinking beer and also some other alcoholic beverages always have a negative impact on your erection. Why? Beer is a polysaccharide, and also most alcohol are polysaccharide when you break them down, and polysaccharide means complex sugar, which will eventually, if not well excreted, either through the process of exercise or through the use of regular detox tea, you are more likely to grow over time into erectile dysfunction person. That means you will not be sexually active. And how will you start knowing that you have this problem? Suddenly you will have a loss of interest in sex. Your arousal will go down, and other times your erection might not be strong enough to enter into your wife's vagina. These are some of the symptoms that will enable you to know that you are likely having erectile dysfunction. However, how do you cope and deal with erectile dysfunction? Like I said, it's a broad topic, so we will be talking about this later in some other posts. Meanwhile, with our detox tea, you can always replenish your system and remove excess sugar, waist pain, and any other kind of related ailment within your body. It is going to make you purge slightly, and while you do this, you will always notice that there is a difference in your body balance. More so, here is our hard lasting erection tea, which we mostly pair with this to treat erectile dysfunction. And for you to know the authenticity of these two products, you can go back on our page to read the reviews of various customers that have used in the past. However, here it's sharp. If you know that you have MASH, that you don't want to fail, you understand. Maybe just invited someone and the person needs to come around, and you don't want to feel that MASH, that regardless of your anxiety or whatever, just buy sharp. You can never fail. And the funniest thing is this: all three products are purely herbal, nothing else. Purely herbal, derived from natural herbs within your environment. So here also we have our penis pump. What does the penis pump do? The penis pump itself has been researched to be very, very effective in giving and maintaining erection. How does it do this? It helps to supply blood to all the nerves that supplies your penis. And you know that erection only takes place, or mostly takes place, when blood is well supplied to your penis. So with the help of your penis pump, it massages all the nerves that supplies your penis, and thus helping to boost your erection. Much more importantly, it also helps to increase the length and the girth of your penis. So you can at the same time go back to our page to see the various feedbacks of customers that have used, so that you can be convinced enough. But if that does not really convince you, well, then just give it a try and give us your feedback as well. So here in Fekomi, this is what we'll do, and we'll be introducing another kind of treatment very soon. It is called the shock wave therapy, which is mostly called axle therapy. It's a newly discovered therapy that is used to treat erectile dysfunction. It uses a particular kind of machine to apply a mild shock on your penis. Don't fear when I say shock, because it is not something that is painful actually. So we apply a mild shock on your penis, and it helps to improve your vascles. All the nerves that supply blood into your penis will be well restored. So that is what we do here in Fekomi. You are welcome to Fekomi.